Want to know how to sign up in Trello app? You would want to sign up in Trello app to collaborate in real time, making it easy to communicate and share files. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to sign up in Trello app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Trello app on your screen. Now tap on the sign up button. Here there are numerous options to sign up from. You can select it according to your preference. Likewise, to sign up with email, tap on the first option. Here you will need to enter your email in order to sign up. After entering your email, tap on the sign up button. Tap on the continue button to log in. Finally, your account has been created. So this is how you can sign up in your Trello app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.